How to make a very easy 3D text animation in After Effects. Let's get started. We create a new composition. We write its name as 3D text. We select the text tool and write the appropriate text. We correct the center point of the text by pressing Ctrl-Alt-Home. We also align the text itself to the composition. We convert the text we wrote to shape. We delete the other layer. We activate the 3D feature of the layer and open the geometry settings. We make the bevel style convex, bevel depth 1, extrusion depth value 8. Since we converted to shape, all the letters are separate, now we group them. Now we add color to the front side first. We adjust the color as we want. Then we add the bevel color. Now we add color to the backside. Very good, now our 3D text is ready. Of course you can make other additions or adjust the colors as you want. The animation part is also very simple. We activate the Y rotation value. After 1 second, we set the value to 1x or as we want. We select the keyframes and give it easy ease. And we adjust the speed graph appropriately. Of course, you can give other rotation values. Yes, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, and you can let me know in the comments what kind of videos you want to see. I read them all one by one. See you in new videos.